Stay connected to your home, alert to every movement, anytime. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Today we're checking out the Tapo C100 2K indoor security camera, which delivers crisp 2K Ultra HD video for clear, detailed monitoring, featuring advanced motion detection, 30-foot night vision, two-way audio, and an easy Wi-Fi setup, allowing you to see, hear, and communicate with your home anytime, all directly from your smartphone. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tapo C100 camera, DC power adapter, mounting screws, mounting template, quick start guide, technical specifications. The Tapo C100 features a 1/3 0.2-inch image sensor with an f2.0 aperture and a 3.3mm lens, delivering clear and sharp indoor footage. It records in 2K 3 megapixel, 2304 by 1296 pixels, ensuring smooth and detailed live streaming. For nighttime monitoring, it comes with 850 nanometer infrared night vision that reaches up to 30 feet. Video is compressed using H.264 technology for efficient storage and reliable playback. The camera also supports two-way audio with a built-in microphone and speaker, so you can listen and talk in real time. It connects over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, supporting 802.11bg and N standards for stable performance. Security is enhanced with WPA and WPA, 2PSK protection, along with 128-bit AES, encryption, and SSL/TLS protocols. You'll receive instant push notifications through motion detection alerts. Power is supplied through a 3-meter cable with a 9-volt adapter. It also includes a reset button and LED status indicator for easy control. With its compact design measuring just under 4 inches tall, it fits easily into any indoor space and operates reliably in temperatures from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Product features. Featuring a 2K 3 megapixel resolution, this camera delivers sharper, more detailed footage compared to standard 1080p. It captures fine details like facial features, small movements, and room activity with improved clarity, making indoor monitoring more precise and reliable. With built-in 850 nanometer infrared LEDs, the camera automatically switches to night mode in low-light conditions. It provides clear black and white footage up to 30 feet away, ensuring your home remains visible and protected even in complete darkness. The integrated microphone and speaker enable smooth, real-time communication. Whether you're checking on family members, talking to pets, or responding to unexpected activity, you can listen and speak directly through the mobile app from anywhere. The intelligent motion detection feature continuously tracks activity and immediately sends alerts to your smartphone when movement is detected. This helps you take quick action, check recorded footage, and stay aware of what's happening inside your home at all times. Product overview. Meet your Tapo security camera. On the front, you get a high-clarity lens, a built-in microphone, and an alert light that flashes when motion is detected. On the side, there's a microSD card slot for local storage. Just set it up in the app. Power it through the DC port at the base and use the reset button. Hold for 5 seconds until the LED blinks red, if needed. The system LED shows status. Solid red means starting up. Red and green blinking means ready for setup. Slow red blink means connecting to Wi-Fi. Solid amber means Wi-Fi connected. And solid green means cloud connection. Fast red or green blinking indicates resetting or updating. App connection. Start by downloading the free Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log into your existing TP-Link account or create a new one to get started. In the app, tap Plus to add a new device. Select the Tapo C100 2K indoor security camera and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network and sync it with your phone. After pairing, the app will confirm the indoor cam is connected. You can then customize settings, test the live video feed, enable motion detection alerts, and try two-way audio to make sure everything works properly. How to install. Select an indoor position that gives you a clear, wide-angle view of the room, such as a living area, hallway, nursery, or entry point. Avoid placing it directly facing bright windows or reflective surfaces, as glare can reduce image clarity. Make sure the location is close to a power outlet and within strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi range for stable performance. If you prefer not to drill, simply position the camera on a flat and stable surface, like a shelf, desk, or countertop. Ensure it sits securely to prevent vibrations or accidental movement. Adjust the tilt and angle carefully so the lens captures the most important areas without obstruction. For a more permanent setup, use the included mounting template to mark the screw positions accurately. Drill the holes, insert the anchors if needed, and secure the mounting screws firmly. Attach the camera to the mount and fine-tune the viewing angle to achieve the best coverage of your space. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved power sources. Protect from water and moisture. Clean gently. Mount securely. Keep firmware and software updated. Product comparison. The Tapo C100 features a compact, durable plastic body designed for indoor use, offering a balance of sturdiness and sleek design that fits easily on tables, shelves, or corners. The Blink Mini also uses plastic, but has a smaller, minimalist design that's lightweight and easy to mount discreetly on walls or place on surfaces without drawing attention. The Tapo C100 delivers 2K 3-megapixel Ultra HD video, providing sharper and more detailed footage than standard Full HD, making it easier to identify faces, movements, and small objects. The Blink Mini records in 1080p Full HD, which gives clear and reliable video, but with slightly less detail compared to the Tapo C100. The Tapo C100 is equipped with 850 nanometer infrared LEDs for night vision up to 30 feet, allowing clear monitoring in low light conditions. Its built-in microphone and speaker enables smooth two-way audio, letting you listen and communicate in real time. The Blink Mini also offers infrared night vision up to 25 feet and supports two-way audio, but its coverage and audio clarity are slightly more limited than the Tapo. Pros and cons. The Tapo C100 is an indoor security camera that delivers crisp 2K 3-megapixel Ultra HD video, providing clear and detailed footage to keep your home secure. It features 30-foot night vision, so you can monitor your space even in complete darkness. And two-way audio with a built-in microphone and speaker allows you to communicate in real time. Advanced motion detection sends instant alerts to your smartphone whenever activity is detected, while local microSD storage lets you record continuously for later review. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to place on a shelf, desk, or mount on a wall, and setup is quick and straightforward. Although it requires constant power, works only on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, has a fixed lens, and cloud storage requires a subscription, the Tapo C100 remains an affordable, reliable, and feature-packed option for indoor home security. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.